How to find the URL. Let's get started. Method 1. Finding a URL in a web browser. The most common way is directly from your browser's address bar. Open the web page you want to get the URL for. Look at the top of your browser. You'll see a long text box. That's called the address bar, and it contains the full URL. Click inside the address bar to highlight the entire URL. Right-click and select Copy, or just press Ctrl+C, Windows, or Command+C, Mac. Now you have the URL ready to paste anywhere, in a message, document, or social media post. Method 2. Finding the URL of a link. Sometimes you don't need the page itself, but just the link behind a button or text. Right-click on the link or button. Select Copy Link or Copy Link Address. The wording can vary depending on your browser. Paste it anywhere you need it. The URL is now saved. Method 3. Finding a URL for a file or image. If you want the URL of an image or downloadable file, right-click on the file or image. Select Copy Image Address for images or Copy Link for files. Paste it anywhere. Now you have the direct URL. And that's it. Whether it's a web page, a link, or an image, finding the URL is fast and easy once you know where to look. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.